everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. My Bonga people. Today's topic now about Bob Risky and that the other boy where they behave like a woman too. I don't know this quarrel. We be say two of them girls, so we know they finish. Eh? This quarrel, I don't just understand. He say Bob Risky say in the imitator because of that one. Now two of them they quarrel. He say Bob Risky say in dey imitate am, in dey do this. He say make Bobrisky no try am o, make Bobrisky no just try am. He say whether na only Bobrisky dey this that. In fact, I go put the video make she by herself use her mouth take chop onions whether she dey talk, you know. The thing come dey shocktalize me. I say wetin come dey happen? This their quarrel, you know, dey finish. You know, why Bobrisky go even the reason I say dey imitate am? Bobrisky, you too na man. You change yourself like woman. He too still do the same thing. So what's it called? They cause this quarrel between two of them now. Bobrisky come out now. That one say he now one called they advise women adult they do their relationship. Like say Bobrisky na woman where they advise person, no, a man. Now one call say they advise person, my people. Me I don't understand this Bobrisky. Bobrisky just wake up in the morning say one call they advise women. Like seriously. Now so you can't see women finish. We be say now you now one come they advise people. Not the way Musa no go see forget, my people. See Bobrisky when one come advise women, my people. The thing they show, the thing not they surprise you now. It they surprise me. Bobrisky said now one come they advise women. Like seriously. We tell Bobrisky say we dey look for man wey wan advise us. Now man like us, now one come dey advise us. Women don't finish. We be say na man. Now one come dey advise women. Now wow, there is a not the way Musa no go see forget. Because the Musa does see. So te Musa tire. So now say man can't tell you na my darling people say see the matter where they ground o. Matter where be say this Bobrisky and this boy matter e no go finish for ground. I don't know wetin dey worry them. When I go see am where the boy they talk o, say make they tell Bobrisky make e not try am. Make Bobrisky not try am. Make e not try am. E dey wanna I say what they come be the cause probably for two of them now. I think say two of them na friend before. This one will be say two of them now. This their quarrel not go finish for ground. This their quarrel don't pass Joromi. The thing just they go far. So my darling people, I'll put the video more na listing. More na see where Bobrisky and the boy, where the boy they talk to Bobrisky. Say make Bobrisky leave him alone. Say you know they imitate him, this, that. So I go put the video more na watch by myself. Thank you everybody. Take care. Share this video for me.
You guys something. I am unbreakable. Nothing can break me. I say nothing. If you only come for Instagram, I go come YouTube. If you go from YouTube, I'll go Twitter. If you go from Twitter, I'll go Snapchat. If you go, I will go TikTok. Nothing can break me down. I don't know. Let me tell you guys something. I don't want to say something. I just need to say. I need to clear this really quick. I used to like Bobrisky. I used to really bomb for him because she reached out to people and everything. But I don't know what he's doing right now. I don't know what is it. I don't as in kilo day. You know. See, I cannot sit down, copy your content. She will go to bed. I am smart. I am blessed with content. I can dance. I can act. I can make blunder. So in here, go Farah is a content. I don't know why you're not feeling threatened by me. Because feeling threatened by me is like a whole big deal. Like, you understand? I'm serious. I am so serious. This cross-dressing of a thing. And it's not like it's a thing that, oh my god, sorry, no. You are bigger than that. You are bigger than that. I was saying you come here, James Bawoni, Maurice, okay, I'm proud of you. Or say, I will kill you, I will deal with you, I will shake any car, Mama Dick by while I say one, and one, no, not today they go prison. Not today they go prison. Not be today. Trust me, that means I cannot go to prison. Do you know why? If Nigeria cannot hold me for what I did not do, what did I do? I'm going away. We are that business. Basically, I don't even know you. I swear to God, well, like to lie me your money. I don't. Sure, mommy. What story? HIV. That is that all. Because I am serious. I don't know you. Because you helped me with 100K does not mean you should not be telling you controlling my life. This is not the first time Bobrisky has called me. Let me even just you guys for Jesus. He called me like last year. He was like, I should stop wearing wig. Stop wearing wig on. Stop doing this, stop doing that. I beg, Joma Binu, I don't feel bad. I'm not wearing wig on your head. I'm serious. Ori Mofi war, it's my body. I don't know why. See, Bobrisky, let me tell you something. I don't know why you're feeling hot. I don't know why you're feeling pain. I don't know why you're feeling threatened. Because I don't have breasts. I'm not going to do surgery. I have what God has given me. I have poro, and I'm going to be using it back to back. So why are you feeling threatened? And besides, slow-mo, I do slow-mo, I make blunder. So how am I copying your content? Like, is the content written your name on it? Or I don't really get. Like, wait. At some point, I thought Bobrisky was a very, very, Agbalagba Tony. I'm serious. Because he posted Nikita Dragon saying that Nikita Dragon he wants to do surgery and change herself and stuff like that. Like, okay, nice. Nikita Dragon that you post does not threaten his friends that he's cross-dressing. I want those people you look up to out there, do not threaten people. I will put down your account. Are you God? Are you Jesus Christ? Are you Jesus Christ? You are just human being. But last I'm at Fallows police station, back and front. I'm on the court, back and front. Hey, let me. And so, because it got only as in, if I have passed through all this pain in life, like I carry pure water. You know the story. I told you that story that time. Only if you go Jamilo Jumo. Because I become better. You guys thought that carry pure water. Okay, I say yes. You too, you have suffered before, Nico. You have carried clothes, you have job can sell in markets. I know story. More story. Because it's not my story to tell. Not my story to tell. But I have suffered in the past. So security clinic, if I have one problem, I'm going to security clinic. Once our boy is still on me. Is it Agbero? I've done Agbero job before. Is it after motor before? So nothing you are because not talking about that will make me feel scared. Like me or we like what is it? Like period, like what is it? Because to be sincere, respecting is like a crime. I know like respecting is like a big crime. I don't even know why I did it. Because like when I get more respect is more respecting you. Liking you was a big problem. I'm serious. Like if it's a big problem, everybody should do that day because I'm serious. I'm still young to be having this kind of drama. No. I reject it. Any negative thing, any negative vibe this year. Any dirty negative vibe, insult to because all the story I using to all the thing I using to start me are all social media platform. But you legit look for something fresh. Do you know why you can't get fresh there? Because what's interesting me out there. I don't cause trouble. I don't find trouble. I'm always on my own. I'm minding my business. More share business in me. Me or royalize anybody. Me because nobody's paying my fucking damn bills. So when I say accept myself more, accept Rami with love and respect. And I will not let anybody look down on me. I won't allow that. I'm serious. You don't even know quarter of my story. You don't know quarter of my story. Mama Fogo, you go let it fall, calm down. You go let it fall. Mama Kai go 34. Hey, take for 200. Take for 200. No, yeah, so. Oh yeah, talk. I'm a gura shaka bye. We go choose ourselves. What are you saying?
Hey guys, how are you guys? Sorry guys, we missed our class yesterday. So today I'll be talking to girls. Those of you girls that likes to go to your boyfriend's house with all your properties. You guys met a week or 2 weeks. The next minute you pack all your belongings, all your properties to his house. You start going there to do housewife thing, You start washing his mother's clothes, his brother's clothes, his boxers. You turn yourself to slave. All because you want him to propose to you, you want him to marry you. See, stop that nonsense. Stop that rubbish this year. This year, I've told you, let these guys hunt for you. Don't hunt for them. If any guys wants you to come to his house, wants you to live in his house, let him propose to you. Let him pay for your fair price. Don't stop going to his house to turn yourself to house girl.